Hey guys, welcome to my channel Social Tech TV, and in this video I'm gonna give you guys a little guidance of how to set up your YouTube channel if you're a beginner like me. So before we start with today's video, if you guys think that this video is worthy of a like, make sure to give it a like. Also subscribe to my channel for more daily content just like this. Now without wasting any time, let's get started. Now you're probably thinking, what this little guy gonna give me a guidance when he doesn't even have 100 subscribers? You're right, I'm not gonna give you any guidance, but I'm gonna give you a way to set up your YouTube channel. Now this might cost you a little bit, but it's gonna be worth it. So what you're gonna want to do is go to fiverr.com/ShabanShb, the link in the description box below. Now this guy offers gigs about YouTube, like his 1 gig which went viral. It's a shout out on YouTube. He has like 16,000 subscribers, and he gets like 1,000 views on every video, 2,000 views, and he'll basically promote you on his channel if you pay him $5, I guess. And there is another gig, YouTube channel setup. So basically you pay him like $5 to $10, he'll set up your YouTube channel in the way that you'll get more subscribers and views and attention. I got my channel set up from him, my other channel PKW Impact, which link is also in the description box below, so you can check out his work on my channel. And basically worth your spending money if you're trying to spend money and start up your YouTube channel. So go to fiverr.com/ShabanShb, the link in the description box below. Make sure you contact him before you order the gig, because heads up for a guy, he also offers some other gigs like video description, video tags. Basically you will find a high rank description and high rank tags for your video. Now these are the things you need to set up your YouTube channel that he'll basically set up for you. He'll make a logo for you, a channel art, a DP/profile picture, and a little bit of description about your channel, which is you needed at the first step. You need description about your channel. What is your channel all about? What do you call your audience? So you need to name your audience, something like that. So he'll basically do all your work just in $5 to $10, and I think this is the best offer for beginners to spend money on YouTube. If you're looking to spend money on YouTube, or if you're looking to grind, that is also not a bad thing. You should grind, but if you spend money on YouTube and you basically get these things set up, so when your video went viral, when people come to your channel, they'll look at your channel, they'll look, oh, this is nice DP, nice channel art, this guy looks professional, they'll probably give a subscribe to your channel. And that's what all you need. You need people to think that you are a professional, not a beginner. So even if you're at the beginning stage, you should be looking like a professional. You should decorate your channel as a professional. So I definitely recommend you guys go check out that gig, link in the description box below. Now this is it for today's video. If you guys think that this video is helpful or worthy of a like, make sure to give it a like. Also subscribe to my channel for more daily content. Now if you have any questions, just comment down below. I'll answer them. And now until next time, peace out.